Welcome to your channel RayofHope, and this is going to be a third class for command-based injection, right? Practical. And we have already covered a lot of things, right? So today we're gonna cover. All you need to do, log into your OWASP PVWA, right? Whenever web application, and do open your. Make sure whenever you're going to open this OWASP BWA, you have open in your Kali as well, right? So that will not interrupt your system as well, okay? And you're gonna use the Kali. First, I would like to thank you for being with us, and we are literally growing so fast. We are now 408 subscribers over here. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's go ahead and do some practical stuff over here. Now, for this command-based injection, all we're gonna need is a downloadable web application, DVWA, right? Over here, you will find the first, I'm gonna go ahead and change the security level to low, right? This is medium now. I'll submit this. Okay guys, if you do not understand that what I'm trying to do, you need to watch last 3 videos of command-based injection, and then you will got to know about it, right? That's what we're trying to do right now over here. Okay, so in this video, right? In this video, we are going to perform some stuff related to command-based injection, right? And we will see. Basically, suppose on a website, you find there's option to ping, right? We can ping the IP on anything, right? So what I'm gonna do, I will be doing the ping request for this machine only, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'll just do this, right? And submit it. You know what I just got? I just got a ping request, right? And do you know, have you seen this kind of request anywhere else? Okay, let me tell you. If I go ahead and do a ping 19, second. Ping 192.168.128.193. Okay, 193, right? Basically, we see used to count number 3. Okay. Okay. Can you find out is this same actually or not? Ping request, we got it. We got the 3 packets transmitted, 3 received, 0 lost, and all those things. Okay. This is pretty similar to this request, right? That means this is the chance that we may perform command-based injection over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'll try to see if we can perform command-based injection over here or not. Or I just want to do for MI, right? You know, who am I be used to get to know the name of the, let's see. Okay. Did I get it? www data, right? Hyphen data, right? That's what we got. We get to got the name of the application or data which is getting stored, right? So if I'm just going to go ahead and do some other stuff, like if I do ls, will I be getting the name of the directories? Yes, I just got the name of the directories as well, like help, index.php and source, right? We can perform multiple tasks actually. This was a pretty simple, right? That we can perform, and if we found it, then we can perform a lot of things. If we got to see the PHP, we can perform the virtual connection over there that we have previously covered in our last videos, right? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm not gonna talk about all those things right now. I'll just change the difficulty level, right? This is a very simple, right? That was the reason we got it, right? So if I just go ahead and turn on the severity level to the medium, right? Then would I be able to perform the same action over here? Okay. If I do this and do ls, what results will I be getting over here? Let's wait for a while. Okay, submit. Okay, we got this, right? And if I do this, here this, okay, in return we got nothing. But why so? Why we are not getting anything? Can we see the source code? Basically, on a real-time website, you might not see the source code, right? But yeah, over here, we are just performing testing result. We can see that why exactly it is happening, right? We not need to be expert PHP coder to understand this. Also, all we need to do is to see that what could be the issue, right? That is blacking, right? Okay, so over here, you will see remove any characters in array, okay? So these and this semicolon, it is like if we put it, it will show as nothing, right? Means this command will have no impact, right? That means input validation and blacklisting is there, right? So they are doing that, right? So if I just go ahead and show you, what does that mean? If I just do like ping and who am I? What will I be getting over here? Who am I? This MS Kali, okay? So basically, no, this is not the similar actually. Okay. Ping and ls. Okay. So over here, you can see in just one go, we were able to execute two commands, right? And I mean ping request and as well as ls, right? So if I go ahead and perform the same command using one and not two, what will happen? Okay, even this is working, right? We are able to see the subdirectories as well, right? Of Kali, and we can see it is also providing us requests, right? So if we go ahead and like you can see over here, this character in array, they are removing only and semicolon, right? But even we can use single and, right? But in the source code, single and is not there, right? So if we try to perform the same task using single and like this and do ls, will that work? Yes, it is working, right? You got it? What I'm trying to say? I mean, even though you would not be able to see the source code, right? But at least you can give a try. Sometimes semicolon, double, single, to see. Hit and trial methods is all about penetration testing. It's just something you could not make it done in just one go, right? Now, if I just go ahead and change the security level to the medium to high and submit it, okay, let's wait. Okay, now it is a high level. Basically, high level securities are not always vulnerable actually in DBWA, but we can see if we can perform it. Now, if I do like this simple one, right? You have entered the invalid IP. Okay. See, if I just put like this only, what will I be getting? Yes, I'm getting the response, right? If I'm putting like this, I'm getting nothing. If I put like this, just one and, I'm getting nothing. If I just do over here, double and, I'm getting nothing. If I view the source code over here, why? Let's see it right now. Okay. So okay, display. If and. Let's see the source code first. See if organized integer, if something for 4 octets present, put the IP back together. Even though you just have to look over here. If all 4 octets are integers, put the IP back together, right? I mean, you could not separate the IP. We have to put it like dot, right? And without space, you could not perform it, right? But even though, as I always talk about that, we have to do the hit and trial method, right? So if I go ahead and open my Bob suite over here, let's do that. Okay, finally we turn on our proxy, right? Bob suite. I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the proxy. I will use the same 192.1ls. Hi. I'll just do the submit. I'll take the data on intercept this data. And if I'm gonna look at this, am I able to see the medium? Okay, you can see, right? In a cookie info, we get the security as a high, right? So if I'm gonna go ahead and medium, deal. Okay, and send to the repeater. Go. What I'm going to get over here, 200. Okay, right? So I'll go to proxy again, right? And this will I'll send forward. Turn on the intercept and see. I am able to get the, right? You can see I'm able to get the directory names, but can you see there's something got changed? Security level now it's medium. That means even if, see, as I always talk about hit and trial method you need to do, right? If I am not able to execute command on high, I took the data on Bob, I change the security level, and my command is getting executed, right? This is all I need to tell you, right? So good luck about it. And if you'd have any other questions about this session or about this vulnerabilities, do ping me or comment out in the box, right? And definitely I'm going to help you, right? Thank you.